In this video, we are going to install Homebrew on a Mac. And I ran into quite a few minor issues when making this video, so I do apologize for that. Hopefully this can at least be like a rough guideline for you.
And we're going to go to Finder, Safari, and you can type in Homebrew, Mac, and click on the website, brew.sh. And before we just copy this command, you want to be careful because it's going to download the Xcode command line tools, which is going to take forever, and it's not going to show you what, or like if it's making progress or if it's stalled or whatever. So I would recommend downloading Xcode command line tools before you install Homebrew.
And in this next section here, I'm actually going to install Xcode. I don't think you need to install Xcode, so if you want to save yourself 12 gigs of space or you don't want to have Xcode, then try to skip to the next section in the timestamps and just download the command line tools. And I'll show you how to do that in the section after this.
And to do that, we can go to the App Store. So Finder, App Store, well, I think, hopefully. So I don't actually know if Xcode Developer Tools is going to install the command line tools. It doesn't look like it's going to, but I'm going to give it a try anyway. So I'm going to type in Xcode and search for that. Okay, Xcode Developer Tools, and we're going to hit Get and Install.
And so you may have a couple of problems. It seems like every time I've done this, there's been some kind of weird thing. So all I can really say at this point is good luck, but you will need to get the Xcode tools installed. So I'll show you the issue that I had this most recent time that I tried to do it. I think the issue I was having was being logged into another account and the App Store got confused and had to resync or something. But here I had to click the same button like 5 times before it let me in. Then there's other issues once it's downloading where it'll just stop downloading and you'll have to come back and click resume. There seems to be a lot of like minor issues, but hopefully you'll be able to get it installed without any issues. Once Xcode has been downloaded, we can open it. And then we should be able to go up to the top, click Xcode, About Xcode, and then see the version that we have. And then we can either download that version, or I think you could download something higher. Let's give it a try. So I'm going to go to my browser and type in https://developer.apple.com/downloads. And then it'll ask you to log in if you're not already logged in. And then you can type in command line tools. And so I had 13 point something, but I'm going to try to download 14.1. So I'm going to click the show details button or whatever, or view details, and then download this DMG. And then I will see you when it is done. Okay, it's finished downloading, so I'm going to go ahead and open it up. Or try at least. I'm going to go to the downloads folder. Okay, and then I'm just going to double click this DMG. Double click the PKG, and then go through the steps. Okay, I'm going to have to upgrade Mac. I'll be back. Okay, I have upgraded Mac, so let's try again. Okay, so that was successful. Do you want to move the command line tools installer to the trash? I will say yes. Okay, and it didn't do it. I'll do that off screen. Okay, and now we can try to install Homebrew again. So I'm going to open up a terminal and open up browser again. Type in Homebrew and then go to brew.sh, and then we can copy this line here and we'll have to paste it into our terminal. It doesn't matter which directory you are in. So I'm going to paste that and hit enter. Okay, and then enter the password. Okay, press return enter to continue or any other key to abort. So I'm going to hit return. Okay, now we have a couple steps that we should run. Okay, so I want this command. I'm going to copy it, paste, and then get rid of the extra spaces. You can tell I'm a noob with Mac. Echo set path, man path, enter. Triple click on this one, copy, paste, then remove the spaces, hit enter, and then copy the final command, paste, remove the spaces, and hit enter. Okay, so I think those are the 3 commands that they wanted us to run. So now we can try to install something. Okay, I'm going to try to run brew update. Okay, so it says it's already up to date. Let's actually try to install ffmpeg with brew. So I'm going to say brew install ffmpeg. Okay, so I think that worked. Let's try ffmpeg-h for help. Okay, and this is a bunch of commands or instructions on how to use ffmpeg. So that works for me as like proof that ffmpeg is installed correctly via Homebrew. So I think we are good. I think this is a good sign that Homebrew is installed correctly. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell to be notified when we release new tutorials. Also be sure to like the video and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Lastly, check out the link or links in the description. We usually create a blog post to go with the tutorial, and we might have a newsletter or course or something to check out as well. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.